Give a warm applause for Pauline.
Hello. It's really great opportunity to join this meetup in Stockholm. A little bit background of me and my company. I'm Pauline from Berkeley Sourcing Group. I am based in Shenzhen office from China, and our headquarters is in Berkeley, USA, where Greg is. We provide turnkey manufacturing service for hardware startups, and these are some of our products we made. Okay. So for myself, I've worked over 50 projects myself, and I found most startups in the beginning, they have no idea how long time their product's going to be made. So they place the orders and give us very limited time for production. And they just expect us to ship the products in a very short time. So, but the truth is that actually we can't, because the capacity is limited because they only have one mode. So I think it's useful for me to share some limitations of manufacturing in China so that you can do better in order scheduling and planning. So first, Chinese holiday. Well, especially for Chinese New Year, there will be 1 month around of factories not doing anything or moving really slow. Because in big city like Shenzhen, people come to work from all over China, and they are very far away from their families. So Chinese New Year is basically the only time in a year they can meet with their family. So I think it's interesting to show some pictures of the Chinese New Year migration. Yeah, it's the craziest times in China. So yeah, for more Chinese holiday schedule, if you want to know more, you can go to our BSG website to learn more about it. And second is startup must realize that not every time you place the orders, the factory can produce your product immediately. They normally have the first come, first serve policy as well. So the peak season is always between Christmas. I would say since July. It also apply for logistics. Before Christmas, it's always the boat is always fully booked. It's so hard to get a boat and get a flight. So yeah, do remember that. And the third is startup also must realize that all products have its capacity, and I think it's very useful for you to know about that. So take the straps, we have one product, it's watch straps. So I just take an example. It's 1,500 pieces a day. How does this come from? Did the number come from? I will explain. So you must know the forming time of your products from the machine. So 5 minutes for the straps, and 60 minutes an hour, and 6 cavity in the mold. So you have to know how many cavity in the mold your mold is. So about 20 to 22 working hours for the workers of 2 shifts. So this 1,500 pieces is even including defects. So deduct the defects, maybe one day just have 1,200 pieces. So yeah, yeah, I think this is useful information to know. And the last invitation is that there's always unexpected production issue for initial orders, like the factory don't have experience produce your products yet, right? Start is always hard. Like for startups, it's the same for factories. So yeah, so they need time to find out the problems, to figure out the cause and the solution. So yeah, so giving the above limitations, be sure to leave sufficient time for your supplier to make your products. Yeah, so this is something I prepare additionally, but I don't think I have time to go over it. So yeah, but if you want to know more about that, I'm happy to discuss. Yeah, Hardware Massive. I think Greg already introduced about what is Hardware Massive, so I won't talk in details, but this is our Hardware Massive website, so everyone can sign up for that. So yeah, this is Greg, our CEO. You guys met him. So this is his contact. If you want to know more about our company, I'm also happy to discuss after this. So thank you.